So to make these easier for myself, because they have zeros at the end of the numbers, I can take them away for just a little bit. And the math becomes a lot simpler for me. Kylie, you said that 4,000 has 3 zeros. So I can take away 1, 2, 3 zeros. And it's just a 4 now. What's 4 times 7? Bradley, what's 4 times 7?
21.
Almost. It's 3 times 7. I need 4 times.
3.
Because it would go 7, 14, 21. That's 3. I need one more. What's 4?
28.
28. But my answer is not just 28. I took away those 3 zeros, but I can't just forget about them. They're not gone forever. They didn't disappear. I have to bring them back. Since they were at the end before, they're going to go at the end again. So my answer is 28,000. And again, using this trick with the zeros, I can only do it to zeros that are at the end of a number. If the zeros are in the middle of the number, I can't move them around or get rid of them even for a little bit. They have to stay where they're at. If they're at the end, that's when I can get rid of them for just a little. What about problem B? If I get rid of the zeros here, 1, 2, 3 zeros, I just have 3 times 2. Noah, what's 3 times 2?
6.
Okay, 6. And since I got rid of those 3 zeros, I need to put them back. 1, 2, 3. My answer would be 6,000. Problem C also has 3 zeros I can get rid of. 1, 2, 3. And I'm left with 8 times 7. What is 8 times 7? Kai? What would 8 times 7 be, Nikai?
56.
56. And then I have to put those 3 zeros back. 56,000. Problem D has 3 zeros I can take away. I'm left with 7 times 9. What is 7 times 9? Violet? 7 times 9. Remember, we can use our 7 songs from last week.
$56.
Close, that's 8 times 7. I need 9 times 7. So one more on that song.
$63.
There we go. Very good job, Violet. 63. And I put those 3 zeros back. 1, 2, 3. 63,000. Problem E tries to look a little bit bigger, a little more intimidating, but it's not. Not really. They just add more zeros, but I know how to deal with zeros. This time, I can actually take away 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 9 times 3. What is 9 times 3? Bradley?
27.
27. And this time when I go back to add my zeros, I took 4 away, so I need to add 4 back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 270,000. Problem F also has 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I get rid of those 4 zeros, I'm left with 4 times 8. Chase, what's 4 times 8? $32. And I have to add back my 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 320,000. Problem G. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros I can get rid of. I end up with 5 times 5. Jada, what's 5 times 5? What would I get, Jada? 5 times 5 is what? Not sure if Jada can hear me. Who can help her out? 5 times 5 would be what? Bailey, 5 times 5 is?
25.
25. And I have to go back and add 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 250,000. Problem H. 4 zeros I can get rid of. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 8 times 2. Jadine, what's 8 times 2? What would I get, Jadine, if I multiplied 8 times
16.
16? Then I need to add back those zeros I took away. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160,000. On the other side of the page, I want you to try 1 through 8. So all these problems here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to try those, then we're going to check them together. Problem number 1. I had 3 zeros I could take away. Boom, boom, boom. I'm left with 4 times 3. My answer should be 12. And with those 3 extra zeros, I should have gotten 12,000. For problem 2, we again have 3 zeros. Boom, boom, boom. 3 times 8. When I multiply 3 times 8, that gives me 24. When I put those 3 zeros back, boom, 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 I get 24,000. Number 9, 3 zeros again. 9 times 6 should be 54. And with those 3 zeros back, we get 54,000. Number 4, 3 zeros. We have 4 times 6, 24. Put the 3 zeros back, and we have 24,000. Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros this time. 5 times 7 would be 35. And I put back my 4 zeros. 350,000. Problem 6. 4 zeros. 7 times 3 would be 21. Put the 4 zeros back. 210,000. For 7, 4 zeros, get rid of them. 3 times 5 would be 15. With those 4 zeros back, should have 150,000. The last one, problem 8. 4 zeros. Get rid of those for a bit. 8 times 8 gives me 64. Plus the 4 zeros that go back gives me 640,000.